Hello everybody, this is Digital Dragon 72. I just wanted to show everybody my new VzBot 235. It was built from a Mellow kit. I am using atomic filament nanotube gray and Polymaker lime ABS for the printed parts here. The cross members and the handles, I do have CNC ones on order. They just haven't arrived yet, but those will be swapped out when they get in. Likely, or at the same time, the RSCS fans are installed because the panel kit requires them. Otherwise, I'm going to have a bunch of holes in the panel, but it has not been wired up. The wires are just kind of trickling to the back, as you can see here. But I will wire those up with microfit 3 connections on the inside of the chamber. So if I ever need to take the panels off, I can open the panel, remove the microfit 3 connector, and everything will be right as rain. The rear, we are looking pretty good. I'm not sure if I like the new FPC cables versus the standard cables on the older 5160s, but it is what it is. We use what we have, but everything is good. Everything's been running very well. Tuning so far has gone good. I still need to insert a HEPA filter, but yeah, everything is running well, and I am getting good prints coming out. So this is my initial video on the VzBot 235 called SPEEDY-DRAGON. We're not running full speed just yet, but as I get faith and as I get the machine broken in some, we'll retension the belts and we'll start ramping up speeds. But thank you everybody for tuning in to the build series. SPEEDY-DRAGON is live and she'll be taking her spot on the line very soon. Have a good day.